see, in this question, it's a very simplistic scenario. Team members indicate that it's a Agile Scrum uh, project where during the daily Scrum meeting, team members indicate that they are having to engage in rework. Now, this is the problem statement. This is your problem statement. Because, and they are giving the cause as well. You have the cause as well, right? Because there seems to be too much work upfront. Now, this is the cause and this is the problem, right? And usually when you have your cause, doing the impact analysis is the next step, right? That you understand that like based on your problem and the known cause, what different impacts on the scope, schedule, budget, delivery, value, objectives could be there, right? This is usually in case of Agile, this is a team's task, and this is in predictive, this is the usually project manager's responsibility along with the team. So over here, it's an Agile scenario where the team is complaining that they are reworking a lot. They are doing the same thing again and again because it's not being accepted by the customer for the reason that they are getting too much work upfront. So to answer this question, this word's understanding is important. Upfront means that like too much work assigned in one go, like, or like in just one go, you are getting too much to do. So this is the problem here, right? In Agile mindset, we don't go with upfront work. In Agile mindset, especially in Scrum mindset, we go with iterations. And within iteration, we deliver like manageable increments, which is agreed upon by the team itself, by development team itself. So remember, in Scrum, Agile team owns the sprint backlog, right? Which means that they own the sprint backlog. So if you are being engaged in too much work upfront in a particular iteration, what does that point to? It means that the Agile mindset is being compromised. The working product, the team involvement, the team buy-in, the value delivery, that is at stake. Maybe the product owner is saying that this is like 2 months release work, you just take it and do however you want to do. So this is not Agile. This is predictive mindset. If he is expecting this, that I don't have time to like come to a sprint planning meeting every 10 days, every 2 weeks, and it's better that the team takes like the whole 2 month work and they just work on it in those 2 months, and they just deliver it after 2 months before the delivery date. So if this type of mindset is there, which is being discussed in this, then this is a huge problem. Time boxing has its own importance in the Agile mindset, especially in the Scrum mindset. So over here, it is about B. The problem and the cause is directing towards implementing time boxing is going to fix this problem, right? The impact of this is huge. Of course, it's going to be like eventually towards value delivery. But what do we do? How should the project manager respond to this concern? They are asking about action step. So remember how RCA works. Problem, risk, problem or risk, which expects you to know the cause. So in this question, this and this is done. Understanding the impact could take time, but at least one impact is understandable to anyone from this situation, that value delivery is going to be compromised. The team's morale is going to be at stake. The team's engagement and team's interest is almost lost. And how that could impact your value delivery, that could be understood by anybody who is is aware of the agile mindset. So they are asking about this. Action step, like, is the next step after knowing the impact. So they are asking about this in this question. Even if the project owner or product owner maximizes the product value as a statement, this whole thing is correct as a statement. I don't disagree with that. Product owner, at any point during the product making, he should always work towards maximizing the product value. In this situation as well, even if product owner jumps in and he tries to maximize the product value, what good does it bring? It's a team related situation. It's a team related situation. Teams needs to take the ownership of the situation, and team needs to stand up and inform the scrum master or the product owner or the senior management or the sponsor or whoever is trying to direct them to just accept the upfront work, that this is not how agile works, or this is not how agile scrum mindset works. This is the expectation over here. Even if product owner jumps in, this is not the product owner thing to talk about this team related things and all. In this situation, they expect the team to know that what are their responsibilities, what are their rights in this mindset, and how they should be making the use of it. So the project manager, which is like one member of the development team in this model, he should request everybody in the team that the team members should be allowed to implement time boxing. If time boxing is implemented, this problem is going to be resolved. If time boxing is implemented, the sprint backlog is going to be accepted with the ownership of team. If they are going to say, yes, we can do this much work as per our velocity in this time box, then automatically they will own it. If they will own it, they will most likely at least try to deliver it. Rather, they consider that as a liability. Any questions on this? So we see the root cause is not going to be catered. With B, the root cause is going to be catered.